Hello everyone, join me as I take on the challenge of starting my own successful cleaning business from scratch in 2024. In this video, you'll learn how to start your own successful cleaning business this year, from choosing your niche to marketing your services. Remember that it can be done without cleaning any homes yourself and can be done remotely. Click the affiliate link below in the description for more information. Many aspiring entrepreneurs struggle to find the right steps to launch their cleaning business, often feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start. It's no wonder, given the plethora of information available online, and the fear of making mistakes that could cost us valuable time and resources. This uncertainty can be paralyzing, causing us to put our dreams of entrepreneurship on the back burner. But what if I told you that starting a cleaning business can be simpler than you think? That with the right mindset and guidance, you can overcome the initial hurdles and build a successful business that generates consistent income and helps you achieve your goals. A major mistake many people make is diving headfirst into their business idea without first identifying their niche. This can lead to a scattered approach, trying to cater to everyone and ending up catering to no one. Or worse, it can lead to burnout, as we struggle to keep up with an unrealistic workload. But by defining your niche, you can focus your efforts on a specific demographic, tailor your services to their unique needs, and create a loyal customer base that will propel your business forward. Another common pitfall is underestimating the importance of market research. Market research is essential to understanding your target audience, their pain points, and their expectations. It helps you identify gaps in the market that your business can fill, and it informs your marketing strategies to ensure you're reaching the right people with the right message. Without market research, you're essentially shooting in the dark, hoping that your services will resonate with potential clients. But with the right research, you can create a targeted approach that drives real results. Lastly, many aspiring entrepreneurs are unsure about the legal and financial aspects of starting a business. They worry about the paperwork, the licenses, the taxes, and the insurance. But the truth is, these are all manageable tasks that can be handled with the right guidance. By understanding the legal and financial requirements of your business, you can ensure compliance, minimize risk, and maximize your profits. We'll break down the essential steps, including market research, setting up your business legally, choosing the right tools and supplies, and effective marketing strategies to attract clients. One crucial step is conducting thorough market research to identify your target audience, their needs, and the competitive landscape. This will help you develop a unique selling proposition that sets your business apart from the competition. Next, we'll cover the importance of setting up your business legally, including registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and obtaining insurance. This may seem daunting, but trust me, it's a crucial step in protecting yourself and your business from potential risks and liabilities. We'll also discuss the importance of choosing the right tools and supplies for your business. This includes investing in high-quality cleaning equipment, eco-friendly products, and personalized branding materials that reflect your business's unique identity. By choosing the right tools and supplies, you can ensure that your services are of the highest quality, and that you're projecting a professional image to your clients. Finally, we'll dive into effective marketing strategies to attract clients, including social media marketing, email marketing, and referral programs. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your visibility, drive more leads, and convert them into loyal customers. The key to success lies in understanding your target market and providing exceptional service that keeps customers coming back, and I'll reveal how to do just that. Identifying your target market is crucial to creating a tailored approach that resonates with potential clients. By understanding their needs, pain points, and expectations, you can develop a unique selling proposition that sets your business apart from the competition. Providing exceptional service is also critical to building a loyal customer base. This includes being responsive to their needs, delivering high-quality services, and going above and beyond to exceed their expectations. By doing so, you can create a loyal following of customers who will not only return for repeat business but also refer their friends and family to your services. Another key aspect of success is creating a solid business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. By having a clear roadmap for your business, you can stay focused, motivated, and on track to achieving your objectives. Lastly, staying organized and efficient is critical to managing your business effectively. This includes implementing systems for managing client data, scheduling appointments, and tracking finances. By staying organized, you can ensure that your business is running smoothly and that you're maximizing your profits. Starting your own cleaning business in 2024 is not only feasible but can be highly rewarding if you follow the right steps and stay dedicated. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment with your thoughts and check out my other videos for more tips on entrepreneurship.